21 things you probably didn't know you could throw in the dishwasher. Dishwasher-safe doesn't just apply to your dishes, pots, and pans. My thanks to Emilee Unterkoefler for her article on this topic. You'll find her article at the link listed. Sure, your dishwasher cleans your dirty plates every day, but did you know it can make your hairbrushes, vacuum attachments, and vent covers glisten too? The dishwasher was already just about everyone's favorite household appliance, but here are 21 more reasons to love it. Dishwasher-safe doesn't just apply to your dishes, pots, and pans. Let's look at the materials that are deemed safe to run through this handy kitchen appliance. Then we'll look at all the unexpected household items you can also throw in there. Dishwashers are a pretty standard household appliance in most modern homes. There's no question that this is the easiest way to wash dishes, but the truth is, this handy appliance can clean a heck of a lot more than just your kitchenware. Most modern dishes, cookware, pots, and pans are described as dishwasher-safe. This term means an item can withstand the high temperatures and detergent used in dishwashers. Every brand has its own standards and definitions of what dishwasher-safe means for its products, so it's best to check your owner's manual before tossing something in there. However, there's also a pretty common consensus on which materials are generally considered dishwasher-safe. You can use detergent at your own discretion, but if you're washing non-kitchen items, use one that doesn't contain bleach. This way, you won't run the risk of discoloring anything. Top versus bottom rack. Typically, glasses, bowls, and smaller items go on the top rack, while larger cookware like pots and pans go on the bottom rack. According to Whirlpool, the following items are suitable for the top rack: mugs and cups, wine glasses, water bottles, plastic items and containers, small bowls and plates, and large serving utensils. Whirlpool recommends placing these items on the bottom rack: large bowls, dinner plates, serving platters, most casserole dishes, stainless steel pots and pans. Plastic items are especially vulnerable to melting and will warp if placed near the heating element, which is under the bottom rack, so you should avoid placing them there. Kitchen items that aren't dishes or cookware. There are loads of items in your kitchen that will wash up nicely in the dishwasher, and we aren't talking about the obvious stuff like dishes, pots, and pans. Here are 8 other dishwasher-safe kitchen items. Fridge shelving and drawers, with the exception of shelving that has integrated LED lights. These can go in the dishwasher as they are made of hard plastic. Just give them some time to warm up to room temperature before you run them through to avoid cracking. Silicone trivets and mitts. After you place these on the top rack and run them through a regular cycle, they'll look as good as new. Sink strainers. These can get pretty gross over time, but the top rack of your dishwasher is the perfect place to make them gleam again. Glass microwave turntable. Place it on the bottom rack and run it through a regular cycle. Hard plastic drawer organizers are safe for the top rack. Vent and fan covers. These collect tons of dust and grease in all those perforated sections, which makes cleaning them a nightmare. Luckily, you can make them sparkle again in the dishwasher. Removable air fryer components. Check your owner's manual first, but many of the removable pieces are dishwasher-safe. Removable pressure cooker components. Again, check the manual first to see which parts can go into the dishwasher. Generally, the cooking base and lid should never be run through the dishwasher. Non-stick pans. These will be damaged over time if washed too often, so stick to hand washing to get the best use out of your non-stick pans. Most kitchen items will have a dishwasher-safe label for guidance, but checking their manual or description online are a few ways you can find out if something can go into the dishwasher. Baby items and toys. Bath toys, anything made of hard plastic, silicone, or rubber will be safe on the top rack. Teething rings. Those made of silicone can generally go on the top rack, but double-check the item's description online first, just to be sure. Most bottle nipples. Again, those made of silicone can generally go into the dishwasher. However, it's usually recommended to hand wash these to avoid damaging them. Slip bath mats. These get pretty oily over time from all the soap, shampoo, and conditioner. A quick cleaning in the dishwasher can reduce their oiliness significantly. While it might be tempting to throw pacifiers in the dishwasher, it's generally considered unsafe, as washing them often might damage them or even make them dangerous for your little ones. If you want a handy way to keep all these small items in one place while they're in there, the Munchkin high-capacity dishwasher basket is perfect. Just be sure to always place it on the top rack. Bathroom tools, cleaning accessories and personal care items, cleaning supplies, bathroom accessories, and personal care items also need to be cleaned from time to time. Luckily, the dishwasher is a handy place to lather up a lot of these items as well. Sponges. If they never get a chance to dry off, bacteria will thrive in every crevice of your sponges. A long hot cycle on the top rack and a chance to air dry will kill any bacteria and refresh all your sponges. Brushes. Just like sponges, your scrub brush will harbor bacteria from food stuck within the bristles. Wash it just like a sponge. Dustpan. It needs to be dusted off, too, from time to time. Detachable vacuum components. As most are made of hard plastic, these are also usually dishwasher safe. Again, just check your owner's manual to make sure. Toothbrushes. If you've been sick, it's usually a good idea to get a new toothbrush, or at least the head. But sanitizing it in the dishwasher works too. Soap dispensers. If it's made of ceramic, glass, or hard plastic, it's probably dishwasher safe. You can do a quick search online to double check. Hairbrushes. If it's made of hard plastic, remove all the loose hair and then wash it on the top rack. Combs and picks can go in there too. Wooden brushes, though, should never be put in the dishwasher. It is recommended you clean each category of items separately. For example, you might do the kitchen accessories first, then run the baby items through, followed by your cleaning accessories. If some items are particularly dirty, you might also want to run a rinse cycle between loads. If you've only been using your dishwasher for, dishes, it's time to start taking advantage of the versatility of this handy appliance. From teething rings to vacuum parts, you can clean tons of things in there and save yourself tons of time in the process. Oh yeah, you may even want to toss some lemon in there too. Stay safe, stay secure. Keep that dishwasher humming. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye and thanks for watching.